This How to 1 minute will show you how to solve cPanel domain redirect problem. So if your cPanel redirect not working, follow these easy steps to fix it. First of all, go to your cPanel and scroll down, open File Manager, and we need to edit the Htaccess for the redirect folder. So here's I'm in my File Manager, and this is the folder I'm going to opening, and here is the .htaccess file. If you can't see here, then click on Settings and enable Show Hidden Files. Then you will get .htaccess file. Now right click on it and click on Edit. Click on Edit. Now scroll down, and here you will get the if module mod rewrite option. All you have to need, just cut all of this code from here, from bottom, and you have to paste it at the top. So here's I'm pasting this code. Now click on Save Changes, and that's how you can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.